Welcome to the NANDO Panel Assembly Manual. To start Step 1, place parts 01, 02, and 03 in parallel and fix with the J and F accessories. Position the C accessory at the indicated places. With the parts 07 and the L accessory positioned, fix with the accessory E. In Step 2, fix accessory C at the indicated place, and with the piece 08, use the N accessory, fix with the accessory. In Step 3, fit accessory B in the indicated place. Position part 05 and fix accessory H. Fix the K accessory and fit the parts. Then fit the B and K accessory to the indicated places. With the piece 06 positioned, fix the accessory H at the indicated place. In Step 4, fit accessories I in the indicated places, then fix the accessories B. Fix accessories D in the indicated places. In Step 5, fix accessories A. Position the piece 08 and finish with the G accessories.